It's just a light. I don't think you want to try what they're eating, hun. In fact, I don't think that's stew. No, you can't pet the kitty. It's
I bet you want to pet the kitty.
not a nice kitty. They have a fortune teller.
Oh, they do.
And the ball's glowing. It's okay, it's okay. Aunt Sarah's just playing. I don't know what your fortune says. It says... Try again later. Sorry, hon. That is the creature from the Black Lagoon, Seth. I don't know where the Black Lagoon is, I'm sorry.
Do you need me to hold him?
No, he's good.
Okay.
Yes, that is the actual stuffed creature. When he died, they stuffed him good.
We have him displayed in Orem. Because that's what we do with little creatures.
No, Aunt Sarah's just kidding.